This house was ugly when we walked in. It had wallpaper and dark cranberry colored walls. It had carpet
tacky chandeliers.
and a tacky chandelier.
Looked like it needed some love. That nobody had been in it for a long time. But what's nice, because we did get to pick a house and do things that we wanted to do to it.
Natalie, she was renting a house in Charlotte, was looking for a house, found this one in Belmont. She really liked it.
But I was like, how do people go and have $300,000 to buy and renovate a home? I was like, there's got to be some logical financial method. Went to my bank and talked to the mortgage people there, and they instructed me on the 203K, and obviously they did not offer it, but they said, you should search out to other places.
Natalie and John called me. There was nothing structurally wrong with the house, but Natalie and John wanted to do some very specific things to the house to make it less of a house for them and more of a home for them. There's nothing that a renovation loan really can't do.
When you look at the house, and if it's 50% of what you like, then yeah, you can make it your own.
I will take being unique and having a home that is not like anybody else's, even if it takes 5 to 6 weeks.
In the renovation process, it's like anything else that we do. It's not rocket science.